Hi BFF, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina, your virtual BFF, aka Keto Queen. Today I want to take you behind the scenes into the entire Pruvit product catalog and tell you about all of the things that we have to offer and what each of them does to help elevate your lifestyle. So grab some pen and paper and let's go.
Cut carbs, cut sugar, fat turns to ketones. More benefits like energy, more focus like a free throw. Cut carbs, cut sugar, fat turns to ketones. I'm losing weight and feeling great since I switched to keto.
All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna start off with our bread and butter of our Pruvit, and that is quite opposite of bread and butter. It is ketones. So these things are naturally fermented ketone salts that put your body into a state of ketosis in under 59 minutes for better energy, clarity, fat loss, and focus. This stuff is phenomenal. So we have 6 mainstay flavors that are available all the time, and that includes lime thyme, which is a light, refreshing lime flavor, raspberry lemonade, which is my favorite, tastes like raspberry lemonade, Swiss cacao, which is this awesome, delicious flavor. I love mixing hot with milk, like nut milk, coconut milk, cashew milk, or adding to coffee, and this stuff is awesome. Maui punch, which just tastes like punch. So good. It's this hot pink flavor. Beautiful. Heart tart, which tastes like sweet tart candy, and splash, which is a light watermelon grapefruit flavor. So these flavors are available on our website all the time. They're called mainstay flavors, which means that they're always going to be available. And these flavors come in charge, which is these colorful packets, and they also come in caffeine-free packets that are going to be white like this. All right, so as far as caffeine goes, it's about a small cup of coffee per serving. All right, and occasionally we're gonna have seasonal flavors, and they're all different seasons bring out different flavors, but some of my favorites are like dark cherry, which is more of like a winter flavor. It's really delicious. Harvest sunrise is our fall flavor. It's like high C. It's so good. I love this one hot. Vanilla sky, strawberry peach, which is our newest spring summer flavor, which is bomb, hands down, one of my favorite flavors at the moment. So we're gonna have mainstay flavors, but we're gonna have some seasonal flavors that are going to come and go as the seasons do. And I highly recommend, if you fall in love with a seasonal flavor, to stock up, because once they're gone, they might not be back till the same time next year. So keep that in mind, okay? All right, let's move on. Next up, we have the 10-day drink ketones challenge. So you might have seen this, because this is the best way to enter our mission, vision, company, is with this kit that we just released November last year. This is a 10-day kit that includes 20 packets of ketones, such as the mainstay flavors, such as these. So it's got 20 packets inside. 10 are gonna be caffeinated, 10 are gonna be caffeine free. So you can take 2 servings a day for maximum results and a way better experience. And this comes with 5 different flavors per box. So you're gonna have an incredible opportunity to test drive the product, see what it can do, but also to see which flavor you like the best. So I highly encourage everyone to get started here, so then you can figure out what flavor you love best, so then you can pick a box and put it on Smart Ship, which I'll get to in just a moment, on how you never have to pay full price for these products again, okay? Pretty awesome, right? That's gonna be a little bit towards the end. All right, so next up we have our Meadow Plex. Meadow Plex is also a relatively new product. We've had it for about 6 months. These are upgraded electrolytes. So you know that if you're doing keto or you're drinking ketones, electrolytes are non-negotiable. You need to replenish that sodium, potassium, magnesium into your body. So this is a must, and what I love about these is that these have B vitamins, they have D vitamins, and they increase mitochondrial biogenesis. So mitochondria is actually the cell's powerhouse, so it's really important to have a lot more mitochondria in your body. So this is good news, okay? This stuff is non-negotiable. You definitely want to stock up on these. And the way that you drink them is that you can drink it separately. You can just take it out of a packet, put a little water on your tongue, and just take it that way. Or you can mix this with your ketones, which is what I do. I just blend these together and enjoy them. Okay, so next up we have the Keto Reboot, which is awesome. So this is an awesome 60-hour metabolic reset. I have a video up here, you guys can check it out. I have done about 20 of these. It's a 60-hour challenge. Essentially, you only consume what's inside this kit. You just add water to everything. It's a great way to defluff. It's a great way to get back on track if you've had a couple days, weeks, months, or years of just eating eating really poorly, it's a great way to hit that reset button, right? So I'm gonna show you everything that's included inside of this. And what I love about this is that it has a little bit of everything, it has a little bit of all of our products. So first up, we have the ketones. You're gonna have 4 packets. 2 of them are gonna be caffeinated, 2 of them are gonna be caffeine free. So you can take 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, 2 days in a row. You're going to have this awesome broth. It's gonna be 4 packets of broth. The salted caramel sweet, I love that one on ice, blended, cold, so delicious for lunch. And for dinner time, you have Keto Time, which is a nice savory broth that I absolutely love enjoying hot, like a soup. This stuff is bomb. It's really good for your gut health, for your joints, muscles, skin detox. It's all right there. All right, this stuff's awesome. You're going to also experience our Meadow Plex electrolytes that I just talked about. This stuff is cool. And then we have a packet of Protons, which we have a different variety of, but you get one of these, and this is a low-calorie protein shake with some ketones in it. This stuff is good, and this is what you're gonna break your fast with on Wednesday morning when you are done with your reboots. We also have included our Signal OS capsules. These are daytime and nighttime ones, and this just helps your brain and gut communicate better. And so I'm gonna just read this off the box here for the Signal OS. This enhances natural immune function, eliminates damaged cells, repairs DNA, and improves cellular health, enhances cellular communication, improved focus, upgraded experience you can feel. So this stuff just helps all of the other products work a lot better. So this stuff is awesome. You have the AM and PM versions included in your kit. It comes with this awesome schedule that tells you what to take, what time of day. And this stuff is awesome. We do this as a community of over 100,000 every single month. So you don't have to do this alone. And everyone just absolutely loves the results that they get. So I highly recommend this too. This is only available for a few days in the beginning of each month, and then we do it halfway through the month with the entire community. So this stuff might not always be available, but you can add this to your smart ship and you can have it monthly delivered to your door. So as I just touched on, you can also purchase Signal OS. This stuff helps all of our other products just work a lot better and just helps with that DNA repair and that better cellular communication. So when your brain and your gut communicate better, just everything just functions a little bit better. So this stuff is cool too. And I mentioned briefly the Protons. So these are like literally the world's first keto protein powder that has ketones in it that's low calorie. It's a mouthful, but this stuff is really cool. So these black packets have dairy, and this one's chocolate, this one's orangesicle, and then these are dairy free, and this one's banana cream, and this one's chocolate. And you guys, when you're in keto, if you're doing keto, which by the way, you don't have to consuming these products, but you know, if you are strict keto, bananas are a thing of the past. So this stuff is so bomb for those who are truly on keto, because you probably haven't tasted bananas in a while. This tastes just like a banana. It smells so good, you guys. So this stuff is really cool. It's great too. I love blending this with ice and also like coconut milk, cashew milk, something that's low carb. And then I actually add some ketones in this as well. So that way I can get my ketones and my proteins. And sometimes I can make it as a meal replacement if I'm on the go, if I'm in a hurry and I don't have time to sit down and have a meal. This stuff's really cool, especially post-workout. So you get that protein back into your muscles. Boom. Then we have the Unleashed series. These are the black label Unleashed ketones. So essentially this just means more caffeine, more ketones, about 30% more. So it's about 30% more caffeine and ketones in these packets than in here. And we have this Blue Ocean flavor. It tastes like pina coladas. We have the Eclipse, which is like a dark cherry, and then Ruby Rush, which is like a grapefruit flavor. And these are all delicious, but they're definitely intense and next level. So if you're caffeine sensitive, these might not be for you, but if you love caffeine and you need that extra oomph, that extra kick, these are definitely gonna be your favorites. And then we have Keto Cream. It comes in a variety of different flavors. I happen to only have 2 of them with me right now. I think we've got 3 available. The Nutty Latte is not here. It's like my favorite. I just ordered some. It tastes so good. It's like a nutty flavor. We have roasted marshmallow and caramel macchiato. And simply what this is healthy fats for you to put into water or tea or with your ketones or inside your coffee as a creamer. And this is really cool because it comes with 4 different kinds of collagens, 3 different MCT types, and this stuff is awesome if you are looking to get more healthy fats into your macros. I know that when I was doing strict keto, the biggest challenge for me was to consume enough fats. So this has 12 grams of fat per packet. So this stuff is cool. You can do half a packet in your coffee if you're not doing full keto. And it's awesome for your like hair, skin, and nails. You know, this stuff is really cool. And then last but not least, we have that 143 MCT oil. This stuff is awesome. And again, if you are struggling to get your healthy fats in, this is amazing. And it comes in these little containers like this, and you can literally take this with you on the go, which I've done several times when I was doing 75 hard, which by the way, you can watch that video here, super inspirational. You guys should crush it. But this will help you get your healthy fats, about 15 grams of fat per serving in this little thing. And you can add this to your ketones, you can add this to your coffee, you can add this to your food, you can cook with it, you can swish it around your mouth and just swallow it. Whatever you want to do with it, this stuff is amazing. It's great for brain cognition too, but it's essentially just virgin coconut enriched MCT oil, and it's ketosis support. It's phenomenal. So with that, those are all the products available right now. And I want to let you in on a little secret that's not so secret. We have an awesome loyalty program for all customers and promoters alike. You have the ability to never pay full price for any of our products ever again after like your initial purchase. And that's by getting on SmartShip. And it's quite simple to do. You just log into your cloud account once you make your initial purchase, and then you scroll down to the bottom and set up your SmartShip. So all of the products that you add to your SmartShip, they're not gonna be shipped out for 30 days. So when you're placing that SmartShip order, you're setting that up, keep in mind it's gonna be shipped out in 30 days from the time that you're setting it up. But you have the ability to add, delete, adjust all the products on there you want, and everything you add to your SmartShip every month is gonna be delivered to you for 22% off, which is basically an instant sale every month for you on all of your favorite products. And for every 3 months that you stay loyal with the SmartShip program, you get a box of product for free. And it's typically just like a flavor of ketones. It could be something random that HQ just sends our way, but it's phenomenal. So it pays to be loyal. It pays to get on SmartShip. Plus, SmartShip customers get access to sales and certain product releases, and they sometimes even get bigger discounts on products. So with that said, for sure, if you love ketones and you love Pruvit products, get yourself on SmartShip. You're not gonna regret it. I hope that this video helped you figure out what products are going to be absolutely incredible for you to elevate your human experience, to reach your outcomes here. Post down below what your favorite products are, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace, love, and all that jazz. Bye. Okay, hi! I completely forgot to mention one of my favorite products, our Keto Up. So this is a lifestyle beverage. It's bubbly, it's fizzy, it's delicious. It comes in many different flavors. I'm gonna throw up an image right here. I think we've got 5 flavors right now. We've got Unicorn Slam, which is my all-time favorite. I just ran out of it this morning. Actually, let me go get a can. Okay, I had to get this from recycling because I just finished my last one. I'm waiting on a new shipment. So Unicorn Slam, my all-time favorite flavor. It tastes like liquid cotton candy, and then we have the green apple. It's a sour apple. We have Toucan Tango, which is like a coconut lime, cherry lightning, which is a cherry flavor, and this one tastes just like orange vanilla Coke. So all of these are lifestyle beverages. They're fizzy, they're bubbly. This is free cell technology, so it's literally instant ketosis. So this is not a substitute for ketones. This is in addition to, like for instance, you have your ketones in the morning, and then you have some lunch in the afternoon, and then you might feel a little sluggish, because I typically feel sluggish after eating. I have my Keto Up right after lunch, and I'm back into full-blown ketosis. I'm just super focused, go, 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 go. It's like really awesome, a clean, lasting energy drink that puts your body into ketosis, supports fat loss, enhances energy, optimizes metabolism, okay? Boom, get you some Keto Up.